Hello everyone, I'm Evelyn Morrison, Maddie's older sister, and welcome to the third episode of the Mathematics with Evelyn series. Today I'm going to be talking about the year 2025, which is this year, and its number properties. 2025 has quite a lot of interesting facts. Let's all discuss them, shall we? First of all, 2025 is a perfect square year. How? Well, when you take the square root of 2025, you get an integer. The square root of 2025 is 45. The last time we had a perfect square year was in the year 1936, where the square root is 44. And we have people still alive from 1936 today, and they are 88 to 89 years old. And the next perfect square year will not happen until the year 2116, which is in 91 years. And it's highly unlikely we will be alive then. If I even make it to that year, I will be 110 to 111 years old. A supercentenarian. And same for the creator of this video. So basically, living in a perfect square year is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Not everyone in the world is lucky to make it to this year. There are lots of people born after 1936 that died before making it to this year, 2025. So we're all lucky to live today. Did you know that if you were born in the year 1980, then your age would be the exact square root of this year, 2025? The formula is age n in year n squared. So 1980 plus 45 equals 2025. Keep in mind, this only works if you were born in 1980, because if you were born in any other year, like 1979, then while you would still be 45 at the start of the year, you would turn or would have already turned 46, which makes the magic useless. This also wouldn't be fair to the people born on January 1, 1979 because they turned 46 as soon as this year, 2025 started. So this is why you want your birthday in the year. The last time this magic worked was if you were born in the year 1892 where you would age 44 in 1936 to be age n in year n squared. And the next time this magic would work is if you are born in the year 2070 to age 46 in the year 2116. The famous mathematician, Matthew Parker, was born on December 22, 1980 and will age 45 years old next month, and he will be the exact square root of this year. The link to the video will be in the description below. But anyways, let's move on to the next fact. Fact number 2, 2025 is the sum of the first 9 perfect cubes. Here is proof. Type 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 216 plus 343 plus 512 plus 729 in your calculator and tell me what you got. Did you get 2025? If so, that is correct. That's how you know it's the sum of the first 9 cubes. Last year, 2024, was the sum of all those aforementioned numbers excluding the number 1. Subtract 1 and you get 2024. Last year, you only had to cube the numbers 2 through 9 to get 2024. Now you also have to cube the number 1 and add it to those cubes and now you get 2025. Fact number 3. Speaking of the second fact, if you add the first 9 natural numbers and square the entire thing, you also get 2025. Fact number 4. When you split the number 2025 into 20 and 25 and add both numbers and square it, you get the year 2025. Because 20 plus 25 equals 45 and squaring it gets you to 2025. Fact number 5, if you factorize 2025, you get 3 to the power of 4 times 5 squared, and you are basically using the numbers 2 to 5 exactly once to factorize 2025. And you can also include the numbers 1 and 0, by raising 1 to the 0th power. So you would be using the digits 0 to 5 exactly once to factorize 2025. You can also write it like this, 1 to the power of 6 times 3 to the power of 4 times 5 squared times 7 to the power of 0 and you would get 2025. Basically, the odd numbers are the bases ascending and the even numbers are the exponents descending. Final number fact of 2025. Suppose if you were to write the number 1 once, followed by the number 2 twice, followed by the number 3 3 times, followed by the number 4 4 times, followed by the number 5 5 times and write every number the number of times it appears in the number all the way until you have written 45 times. Guess how many digits you will have written? That's right. You will have written 2025 digits in the number. Want to know how you count 2025 digits? Well, let me explain. As you all know, The ninth triangular number is 45, so that's how many digits 1 2 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s, 5 5s, 6 6s, 7 7s, 8 8s, and 9 9s have when combined all together. So 45 is the organ here. Then you count 36 numbers between 10 and 45, and when you add 10 and 45, you get 55, and when you multiply it by 36, you get 1980 digits. And when you include those 45 digits in the beginning, from 1 through 9, where each digit represents the number of times it appears, you get a grand total of 2025 digits. So yeah, this number has 2025 digits. But anyways, those are all the number facts of 2025. As of the making of this video, we have a month and a half left of this year, 48 days to be exact. And like I said, living in this year is a once-in-a-lifetime chance. After 48 days, you will never get to experience this year ever again. And the next perfect square year, as discussed earlier, is 2116, where the square root is 46, and it's highly unlikely we all will be alive for that one. But if we all are lucky and stay extremely healthy, then we may be alive to see that year. But anyways, I hope you have a great rest of 2025 and create more memories. 2025 will be history in just under 7 weeks, and we will be 2026. As they say, time flies by fast, so let's all enjoy our lives that we have today. I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye for now.